Mahama buy kofo diska hwi ensi ma men control me do go back me de won come back am wa hu say e ka corruption a yewra John Mahama what John Mahama is only doing in say I say na no me wie bi ba se say masachra enti ye nyina ye ni let me tell you me say the yewra John Mahama ye no e ye te say na no me wie bi na no na me so me ye kronfo na no muma makwanya no me be wie bi me ne me nkrofo be wie bi
enti enchira FM journalist na Jantuah abebo na adwen akire Mahama ene NDC appointees no tirem say oh mu nyina obia ye corrupt very well gala hadu azebe great me mo ntire mu no akire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mezo say need mu obe like video no other my boss subscribe button na back the notification can for latest updates abekire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section mezo so baso no akire for so anya bi ahwe onum say na nsem enche bia na NSS scandal no esa ba biem eye Dominic Akotring ayere eye state attorney general osa kobo that issue I say efa gift oware oni ni kunu omo just say omo di o man na aburo ankasa national service scheme hono no say omo aba po pa wo hono mu a enye aprovoke to ama yesi obia atwe mu abo so na eno ana na Jantuah abi address na Jantuah ni submission we busia eno kire say oh Mahama na se bi enipa bi ehwa so so no onye okonkunu ni za o onye okonkunu ni za on na point is we any nse wana Jantuah ewaka
no adia news for the yedding
in Shiraya fan
father wants to so quickly father wants to so Auditor General Mr. Auditor General can catch this in 1957 news. I see the total amount of money stolen or illegally spent by National Service Authority boss. Eye Osesibe Enchi. Oye KMA, former KMA boss. Any gift you are worried. Minia Ketwano no. Young girl, I know what independence home. Minim no. Onim se minim no. Na owo KNUST na wo Independence Hall na ne ho kete baby obehu mi bia obe batare me na onisika I no gift you worry no onisika onfre abusue ma na omuwo sika I know her gifting so as me fanise me nia ketwa that time no wo KNUST no wo Indies no ye mu bi na on fire and see form. Very innocent at that time. Nasika onunkwa di ukin boma. Millions ibebre onunkwa over bare 200 and something billion. Ni ekeka omu mienu die bom no. Ni enim se sika ne ye 548 million Ghana cedis. Say ye kohwe mu no. A free 548 million Ghana cedis no equal 2.2 billion. Unim 2.2 billion. 2.2 billion no 22 trillion. 22 trillion. Trillion enye billion no. Trillion mako 22. Ena National Sports Authority, yakate National Service Authority. Any gift to worry, keka bomb and sika, yenhu, yentimi nkaso ma ye bibi, enyanko court. Ba yenhu, enkwa, afa baby, a yesusi sa afa baby no. Eye, trillion, ye billion no. Trillion mako 20. Misi gift to worry, minim no. Na onisika sa. Honorable Osesibe Enchi. Onisika sa. Brana no wabono. Enti mi mani sa asika ne sa honorable sa woni honorable Osesibe momfa ne picture nto so mame momfa ne picture nto so mame momfa ne picture nto so mame no bia mehwe honorable Osesibe Entwi momfa ne picture meto so mame I know his son ninia ne ba eko prempe college mi church nyoma bi mu ne ba ko prempe college mi junior no ne ba ko prempe college mi junior no Ebrana wabono ontimi nya saa sika na yese ayira no one ne da ho no He was the former KMA boss. And he didn't call National Service Authority. Sikankua Ayira under his watch as the boss. Yekikaboma trillion mako 22. Sa sikana ye boss no unhu bi da. Sa wo ye krojin adwuma. Udi nyame na ye adwuma sa sika no unya bi da, unhu bi da no awu. Sa wo ye aban adwuma e den pan se obekọ retirement no na wo 50,000 e wo account mu. I'm telling you. Me say sa wo ye Ghana aban adwuma krojin a e be ye den pan se a wo aban adwuma ye twa aka 3,000, ye twa aka 2,000, ye twa aka 4,000, ye twa aka 5,000. Ebeye den pa se sa ketua no obekọ no na wo be 50,000 and 100,000 ako. Even your senate benefits o senate kra de be ma no wan hwe ya endru 50,000 500 million 100 million mako 5 asem na make you 100 million mako 5 asem na make sa papa we oni gift your worry. Sikankwa ye keka bom no ye se oma 5 die a ye hu eye 2.2 billion 22 trillion mako 22. Oye soja ni etie me, oye police ni etie me, oye teacher ni etie, oye full soldier, oye MPP full soldier etie me, oye NDC full soldier etie me. Me se omo mienu nyina amenimu omo. Gift your worry, dear minia ketwa, minim no, onisika. Mahama baye, kofo diska, hui NC, my main control. Me do go back. Me de won't come back. I'm one who say, a cat corruption. Yera John Mahama, what John Mahama is only doing in the say. I say, Nanu mi webi, but se say masatra, and she ye ni. Let me tell you. Me say, the Yera John Mahama yeno. Eyete say nanu mi wie bi nanu na me so me kronfo nanu mama makwanya no mi be wie bi me ne me nkrofo be wie bi ba manti mi anya hwe ba se masachra. It wasn't that John Mahama time no na corrupt cases ni ho. Ghanaian perceived John Mahama's government as corrupt. Emma MPP for so can say omo be chi nkrofo tum ye hu dede ye to ho nyom bibia nsi ma me fan go back to the agency for mo ise dan tiase. Unim the entire tutia JJ Rollins near Tamils corruption. So I'm not Ghana for eto nyoma akofo. Ghanaians are suffering from massive corruption. Why should we sit in our own mother everywhere you go? We are crying, we are suffering. So anyway, unim the entire JJ Kofo by JJ Kofo the corruption. And the man Ghana for who said JJ ni NDC for Wieska, JJ your Kronfo, your bet you matum fast track high court, and a Kofo by. Kufo be we 2007, 2008, corruption. MPP for now, omo de corruption. Yetuma omuno, omusu ko na corruption. Eno na se edun ketia ko ka say, akromfo dun so ekoyi akromfo panyi. Okay. So we are Gen-Z ni now won't take corruption as here. That is what I'm saying. When it comes to corruption, we are funny people. Yeah, who are sre? Me say. I said in Ketia at that time, 2008 Kokan say, 2007 Kokan say, MPP for delegates no moko, Samana no, naye, Alan Munim Kofo bear 17 will be a so president edi. I said in Ketia say, a confo dun so, ekoyi a kronfo, Jantuah ma Penyah. It's at that time, say, Nana Kufa de ye no, ne kronfo. And Nana Kufa do Lucy. 2016. John Mahama, your Kronfo, where we are there, where inflated prices, Jaku Dubai interchange, there, Bas Brandon, Jida, Sada, Yentu Kromha. Mamin found go back a cran, young coach, Woyomi, wouldn't Woyomi. She Kroma and your mercy, see what Kromha, and see a castle be we are there. We are funny. Do you know why? Because I'm penny for way. So many good lawyers are. Lawyers never cheer some mutin time. Ye Kasa, Ubia Rebefi. Me say, and penny for yes, so medicine. Omubenya good lawyers. Na lawyers na jomu sikaye. No mako chimutin time. My lord. Now 1 year, ye nyandia seniwe. Ye wo Kromha. obi aku obi yesusu si waku obi so on ku JB MP be 8 years ni yentimi nsolve ye yetetea ene ye to nwom wo yomi ye kaso wa disika 51 point something million Ghana cedis kroma ne ani ha NDC abreso yewra John Atamius abreso enkofo bi kosan ma obi e friend wo yomi o disika Ghana 51 be pem ne sasika no yentimi nje ye yewra John Mahama bai wentimi anje yewra na Akufo Addo bai omude ye campaign ti NDC and so stay wentimi anje and what are we talking about? We are funny people. Now let me go back to history again. Fatu to Omaye quickly. Fatu. Listen to the reason why JJ Ekasi Elusu. Bra Facebook never share. JJ Rawlings. Me catch you say. Ye ran John Mahama o ye presidency. Na no de all ya chire say. Na no me ne me nkrofo wie bi. Na no me ne me nkrofo wie Ghana. But say masachra. Eno nche say ne hote. The only thing I want to say massacre to me man crofo. But when we come to corruption, the history will tell you say John Mahama Breso part 1, he was corrupt. Then crofo you corrupt. John Mahama part 1, then crofo na corruption kahun. And we end this in any brain MP before. You are funny because sa issue when you know me say yamfa timeline and to swa. Ya beya kokwasa 2 years. Na ya police ke BBNC aban no fa jeje de ne to so ansa fa jeje de ne to so ansa good it be hard dey mami December 31 2016 JJ Rawlings the obekai or say NDC lost the election because of corrupt government officials. JJ Rawlings na kai nyam na me kai 2016 31st of December Papa J when you be because say NDC lose about 2016 no na ye wia John Mahama ene ne nkrofo be wia o man Ghana ka ho enti na Ghana for tutia no and I'll back it with evidence according to CDD reports ye nia bro ye nyam kra wo krom ha it is a me who politician be no ba foforo no person kire say me say agro na mutu odi corruption fato so quickly ye fast ye nko no for other ones and some about CDD report no that Facebook ahahwe edrume bi kra no the January ho baby NDC group tells Akufo Addo jail corrupt Mahama appointees me tire wo history amwa hu say and NDC for amani abre ne hwan mo nkrofo nso no me yakronfo mo nkrofo nso mo hwi aneoma Ghana for to NDC because of corruption enti mamu behave to say osoro abofo bi na aba. If indeed we want to solve corrupt related issues, we need to be honest to understand say because I'm telling you, me say so many good lawyers are he ain't see Chromadian opuni case yensi anya police case opuni case 8 years no moment me anya hwe and a year police case again obeti me aya deal with China. Fatuso next one quickly Fatuso yenko de kakranga kra bra Facebook so be a we are there na hwan na de ni aka me say krom ha tumuda court e bia nko court da wa court na lawyers the semantics ne hwan drag unnecessary issues no give me all the headlines give me okay for way to so mami right arrogance report kwesiboche reports enyam na me kan you kwesiboche reports NDC for ne we no omutena se epe yewura kwesiboche so awu wanya no baby komboa owu ye no before so no bu omuka se ankoye report se ene MPP for ma wi a omama honorable say chairman say koye report ne Michael Kwe report no NDC for we every ye no wo mo so koye report she one of the key findings of the report ni or say arrogance corruption caused NDC's defeat report arrogance na ma MPP for elusu ye no sa arrogance ne ka ho bi ena ahantan je e ka ho ena awi kronosem e ka ho ne ma NDC for Lusu 2016. May can we add someone who the history of Ghana say we are funny people. The only difference is that NDC for opposition no massacre margin. Omuba ensehunu na no mbedie na MPP fo nso asachiro madwen na mo kasa te se Ghana fo mo chance ensehunu ne saa no mbedie. The reason why Ghana for to tier MPP 2024 no, some of the reasons ni near to tier MPP NDC in 2016, arrogance, corruption. Next one quickly. Next one. We are talking about corruption. We are not serious people. Ghana, if we be corruption perception index, esusu on man bia ni ahwe say what's called saying according to say we go school. Na school ya catch us say uche 50 ebia above, uche 40 say. Na Kufuado be free so na Kufuado corruption ni o be free so na Ghana ye ranking ye 42. Unim 42 meba be chiro ase ye ka 42 a e kire se eye omanya still amoye corrupt. John Mahama went to me 50. John Mahama be free so no na Ghana ye de 43. Ranking ni bra Facebook na be hwe. When John Mahama at that time corruption the highest one or ya de kakra was 48. Medical catch say corruption no se wenya above 50 and 50 and above the obeye bia no we are corrupt. Muntie me say corruption perception index mark no ye market na e kaso why ya de che say country no wenya above 50. Me say John Mahama 23 24 2015 2016 ni nyina onya below 50 or ye corrupt na ban ye bana na Kufuado de no nso a 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, saa to 2024. Ono nso kra de na enye kra. Akufuado kra de no ye corrupt kra che na Akufuado. No na ba ye corrupt chain because marks no kra no na 42. We kra nya 43. But omu nyina hwe. Omu nyina ntimi ansolve corrupt cases. Omu nyina hwe as we speak. Say Ghana ye corruption perception still obi and do 50. And he say John Mahama beye na o make na sela wondu 50 corruption cases no emfa. Next one I say one of the reasons are John Mahama 2016 omulusu ye look at some of the cases are MP before you sue against them. Or say the high negative ratings of corruption in the Mahama administration may not have come as a surprise, considering the several cases and allegations of corruption brought against the government appointees, the president and his cronies. For instance, Martin Amidu has revived the corruption charges against Alfred Agbeshi Woyomi, a known financier of the NDC, after the AG had shown no interest in continuing with the case at the Supreme Court. This issue has attracted much interest in the media with equally greater public discussion. Now, Woyomi cases, again, high-level government officials were implicated in several charges at the National Service Secretariat. Mese Ghana ye Yera John Mahama time National Service for the Nkrofo bi so wiye sika. E wiye sika won National Service ene obi so wiye sika no. Omu so wiye bi Savannah Sada Jida Transport Ministry 3.6 Smarty Bus branding, Sokai Bus branding. Among other ways, yes, for the expedition, Burkina Bay contractor, commissioner, and Joma Basaba, when you account Ghana for Tutiano. MPP for the year campaign. Omuso Bayeno, Monyo, and then your money say. What are we talking about? So for me, if you look at all those things, I say MPP's key anti-corruption campaign message was predicated on a highly perceived corruption in the Mahama administration. Again, taking advantage of the general mistrust in the ability of the President Mahama to fight corruption, Akufo-Addo proposed a difficult but more credible alternative to arresting political corruption through the establishment of the OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor. Or say, MP before you said John Mahama ya corrupt, then crop for ya cromfo, omu yadie, and into a bar, essence said John Mahama intimia fight corruption, or no bar, or the Special Prosecutor beba, not just say, the ABCSC, any ene. And they ka corruption ka na Akufo-Addo di OSP bai anke yebete say National Service Authority o ma wie sika buffer stock o ma wie sika. What are we talking about? Let's be serious. Me say President Yera John Mahama per se corruption case no solve wa sa special court no on for time la non ka say ebia ye the 6 months na edie na wan for timeline na ekoye agenda na 1 year ni say aban way ye serious pa no person of or solve corruption. Time I mean media di say yera John Mahama ye serious or solve corruption in say. Sa special court now or day bano. For timeline and to sumaye. Yera John Mahama. Adie way away. Se me wo so we serious pa say. Indeed, obia diska na person ogemaye and na person chini tuma. Sa special court na person wotino. Cases biano for timeline ne toso. Timeline ne say case bia ye behu biano ye bedi ni 6 months and ye bedi ni 3 months and now 1 year. Because I'm telling you say say your court system way pa your way. Say your judges here your way and your court system where your way. So we say the corruption cases say ya Madam Futumuda NC. I am telling you today I am so mad me bua fu me hona me tie make say me say yera John Mahama ye serious say or person solve corrupt related cases me so on for timeline to so no can say special court now what no ye 6 months now they yet kromo hana politics and comfort de you can say elections call election petition ye did 3 months meboa ye did 3 months within 3 months near we until ye betimi ayame aka say corrupt cases like this there ye found normal court na court judge ajani na lawyers e de omo brofo because I'm telling you say ye am for timeline and to so say corrupt cases be an ye 6 months near di ye wie na asem way extra 1 year 2 years the John Mahama ye say or person full soldiers ne Ghana for energy say wo ye bibi let me tell you say cases way give to a worry moon national service it did 1 year massa to muda chinsi. I'm telling you I am talking from experience. Me say Saye we disika ya bachina tum ya baby say me say yera John Mahama serious ma Attorney General and Chief Justice emfa timeline say cases way 6 months near dino obi amfa ne nkra tamra me say sa case wo be so di no 1 month kra betimi adi cases way say serious now person wo di no 1 month 1 month to crab to me the cases no so Attorney General so wanya evidence so we discuss into every day yet na say for evidence bra for give to worry for evidence bra enya no kre na yenya ne sa and let's check if this thing will not be solved. Other than that it will be a useless exercise and ebeye dede hunu ne ebeye wo krom ha ne akose John Mahama baye kofo discuss hwi NC my main country
Ubet match the wadwen amame e wo comment section. Penyah Media.